Hi everybody, it's me, Earth. My pal Sun visited you in 2017 to talk about the total solar eclipse.
Boy, was that a hoot.
And now, a whole day where everyone gets really excited about keeping me clean and healthy. There's been a lot of talk about plastic waste leading up to Earth Day. You might not even notice how much plastic is thrown away every day, but trust me, it's a lot. In 2016, more than 480 billion plastic bottles were sold across the world. That's enough to reach halfway to the sun.
That's a lot of plastic.
Plus, plastic trash is really bad for my oceans. 8 million metric tons of plastic end up in the ocean every year. Much of it found in the stomachs of fish and other sea creatures. By the year 2050, my oceans could contain more plastic by weight than fish. But guess what? There are plenty of ways that you can help. If everyone used less plastic and reduced waste, you could help me feel healthier. For starters, you can use reusable water bottles and other containers rather than disposable plastic ones. You can also use alternatives to those plastic food baggies in your lunches. Reusable shopping bags are great replacements for disposable plastic bags at the grocery store. Did you know that nearly 1 trillion plastic bags are used each year? Even something as small as not using a straw and lid when you're at a restaurant can really add up. Just don't spill. All of these actions can make a big impact. But most importantly, you all have the power to keep me healthy for a long time. So take action, spread the word, and make your voices heard.
Come on, Earth. It's time for your party.
Thanks for all that you do for me. Happy Earth Day!